Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by to our channel. Today is our first ever video that we are doing for S.E.T, so I'm very excited and a bit nervous as well. A few days ago, I profited more than £5,000 using my simple momentum trading system. So let's get started. Financial market, stocks, foreign exchange, commodity, cryptocurrency. They used to be a foreign language to me. However, after working with top traders in the industry for a few years, I have become a consistent profitable trader. We're aiming to provide simple trading system, support, and create a new community so anyone can benefit from the financial market. Join me on the mission. Welcome back. This is Jake from S.E.T. Before we begin on my momentum trading system, I want to wish everybody well and safe. The pandemic has impacted us in many different ways. But let me assure you, we are in this together. Before the pandemic, I had multiple businesses. I had a construction businesses. I had a marketing consultant businesses as well. Sadly, the construction business is gone now, and the marketing consultancy business has no income since last year March. But thankfully, trading and investing still be able to generate income for me so I can feed my family and provide for my family. Which is why, since last year, I had a plan to build a new platform to share my financial knowledge and also build a new community so anyone can learn this financial market and hopefully benefit from it. So how did I profit more than £5,000 in just a day? And how does the system work? It requires some basic understanding of technical analysis, trend, time frame correlation, price action, support resistance, EMAs, and pivot level. If you're experienced traders, this should be very familiar to you. If you are beginner traders, don't worry. Stay with me till the end, as I have two very smart AI indicators that can do most of the technical analysis for you. Let me start with the S&P chart. First, we need to start off with a daily time frame. As you can see, daily time frame is on the uptrend, weekly also on the uptrend. Therefore, I want to be a buyer of this. Next step is dropping down to a smaller time frame to get an agreement with the bigger time frame. So I'll drop down to 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see the little green box was my entry. But before that, on the 18th, I can see on an hourly time frame, it's actually on a downtrend, which is great. I need it to be a downtrend, so it indicates daily is in a phase 2. So now I just need to see hourly break up this trend line and come back to a uptrend and get an agreement, which it did on the 19th in the morning. Also, you can see the crossover of the 20 and 50 EMA to confirm. Okay. So next step, I have to find a relevant area to set my limit order. So on the 19th in the morning, price smashed through this trend line. The next step that I need to do is to predefine an area to set my buy limit order, which is of course in this little green box it triggered. Why did I pick this area? It's all because of the interaction. You can see buyer tried to break, buyer tried to break, buyer tried to break, buyer broke through, buy defense, buy defense, buy defense, buy defense, buy also defense, fake out, come back. So therefore I picked this area. So now we've got EMAs, price action, support, resistance all lined up. The final things that I need to look for is a pivot level, which I will switch to a different chart to show you. So this is a 4-hour chart on the S&P 500. The scattered green line is what was the last week daily pivot. So on this chart, you can see the white box was my entry. The scattered green line was the weekly pivot of last week. So we came very close, okay? Pivot levels act as a support and resistance. So another conference is that take the condition. Therefore, the final bid is set the trade, let it come to me, and predetermine my take profit, which is close to the last high area. And then the stop loss was the last low. And that was it. Simple as that. I'll jump to the Aussie dollar and US dollar now, okay? So Aussie dollar, US dollar. Start off same again with the daily time frame. As you can see, strong uptrend. Therefore, I want to be a buyer. Next thing, time frame agreement. I need to drop to a smaller time frame to find the agreement. Which last week, same thing. Very, very simple. Hourly downtrend. Made a double bottom on Monday, 18. Morning 19 smashed through. So therefore we got the confirmation on that. EMA is not crossed, but sometimes you don't get everything aligned. This horizontal line is relevant to me. Again, buyer, 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 buyer smash through. So therefore I set my limit order at this level. Final part that I need to look for is the pivot level. The daily pivot and my limit order was off only around 6 pips or 5 or 6 pips. So give or take, sometimes it may not just come right on the pivot. So I always give or take 5 to 10 pips to set my limit order anyway. I hope you find the video useful and learn something out of it. As promised, I'm going to share 2 of my secret trading weapons. You probably noticed during the video on the right corners, I've highlighted 2 indicators. The first one is the Trend Viewer Pro. Second one is the Strength and Weakness Matrix. The Trend Viewer Pro analyzes all time frame across individual instrument. Therefore, it's doing the time frame correlation work for me. I'm not the creator of the indicator. He's a good friend of mine, also a fantastic trader. He has made a video to explain more how this works. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. Funny enough, he also took the same trade. I did a set and forget. He was managing the trade, so he profited, I think, even more than me. I'm not saying it's a competition, but surely I made an improvement on my trading journal. Second indicator is the currency strength matrix. What it does, it measures the strength of each individual currency. So it tells me which one is the strongest, so I can buy, which one is the weakest, so I can sell. Again, that's another video that he has made. I'll drop the link below, do check it out for yourself. Wow, that's nerve-wracking, because this is the first time I've ever done a video like this. I'm sure there's plenty of room for improvement. I hope you have enjoyed the video and find the content useful. It goes a long way if you can hit the like button. Also leave me a comment if you have any question about my trading system. You can also follow us on Instagram, as we love to know where you are at your trading journey. We're intending to make more trading and investing video. The next video we're making will be about cryptocurrency, which I will be joined with one of my team members. We'll have a discussion whether it's the right time to invest in cryptocurrency right now, and why do we think it's a good asset class to invest. So until then, stay safe, happy trading, healthy investing, and thank you.